In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand Google Ads metrics. We'll walk through where to find the numbers that matter and how to read them so you can make smarter decisions with your budget. Start by signing into your Google Ads account. From the main menu, open the Campaign section, then go to Channel Performance. This view brings your core metrics into one place so you can quickly see what's working and what needs attention. You'll notice two foundational numbers right away: impressions and clicks. Impressions show how many times your ad was displayed. Clicks show how many times someone actually interacted by tapping or clicking the ad. If you're seeing high impressions but low clicks, that means your ad is visible, but it isn't compelling enough to earn a response from the audience that's seeing it. In practical terms, that can signal a few things. Your headline and description might need clearer benefits, your call to action could be stronger, or your targeting may be too broad. One quick way to gauge relevance is the click-through rate, which is simply clicks divided by impressions. A higher rate generally means your message is resonating with the people who see it. Next, look at CPC, or cost per click. This is the average amount you pay each time someone clicks your ad. CPC is influenced by auction dynamics and competition in your market, but it's also affected by the quality and relevance of your ads and landing pages. If your CPC is climbing, review your keywords and audiences to ensure they match your offer, refine your ad copy to better align with search intent, and keep your landing page fast and helpful. Improving relevance can help you win auctions more efficiently. You'll also see conversions and cost. Conversions measure valuable actions after a click, like a purchase or a lead submission. Cost shows what you're spending. Together, they help you understand return on ad spend. Keep an eye on cost per conversion and conversion rate. If cost per conversion is higher than your goal, consider tightening targeting, improving the landing page experience, or testing new ads that address objections more clearly. And make sure conversion tracking is set up and accurate. Without it, optimization is guesswork. A few quick tips as you analyze. Adjust the date range to compare trends over time and use segments like device or network to spot patterns. Small, consistent improvements based on these metrics lead to better results over time. That's it for understanding the key Google Ads metrics inside channel performance. Thanks for watching and keep optimizing with purpose.